Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset on the XIAOMI Smart Camera C100. Let's begin! So surprisingly, we won't really be using the XIAOMI Home application for this, and we'll only need to be using the camera itself. Now, I'm pretty sure that in order to perform a factory reset, it has to be plugged into your electricity, otherwise it won't work. So as you can see, currently it has a blue LED, meaning that it is right now connected to my device. So let's perform a factory reset, and the reset button can be found on the bottom. I know it's pretty hard to see, but it reads reset here. And you will notice that the button is actually pretty weird because it's not really a button, especially if you try to click it from the left side, because that's just solid plastic. You want to be clicking this from the right side, otherwise the button functionality just won't work. Also, if you have troubles actually locating this, it's on the left side of the camera, right under the SD card slot. micro SD card. So all you want to do is now just press and hold the reset button for about a couple of seconds. I believe it should be somewhere around 7. And after 7 seconds, we should hear and see that yes. And now after a moment, our little camera here will begin flashing orange light, meaning that it will be put itself into the pairing mode, and it will try to constantly talk and basically or not. What is going on? Anyway, after some time it should put itself into pairing mode, and it will try to say, "Oh, I'm pairing mode, please connect me." Yes. I'm sorry. Yeah, so the camera will try to speak all the time for the "please connect me" or something like that, and I really wanted to pull off that plug. Damn, that was a pretty good joke. Anyway, that's all for this video. Yeah, this is all how you can perform the factory reset. Now it's much easier to connect to a new device or just restart every single setting for your camera. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.